If you need to close your Monster account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Monster website and log into your account using your email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage, often under your profile picture or name. Step 3. Find account closure option. In the account settings menu, look for an option related to account management or account closure. This may be labeled as close account or delete account. Step 4. Follow closure instructions. Click on the account closure option and follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to provide a reason for closing your account or to confirm your decision. Step 5. Confirm closure. After completing the necessary steps, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully closed. Make sure to check your email for any final notifications. Thank you for following these steps. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Monster's customer support.